back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to review a sheet mask. This one is the Alba Botanica Hawaiian Detox with anti-pollution volcanic clay. It's supposed to extract impurities from your skin, and it is a black sheet mask. I love sheet masks. They're so easy and I'm super lazy. I just want something that makes my skin feel better and look better, but that I don't have to do a bunch of work or wait, an hour. This one is not too bad. It seems pretty thick feeling. One of the things I hate about sheet masks is when they're thin and they rip real easy. This one I'm having a hard time getting the face part apart. I also don't like them when you can't get them unfolded. Oh, it smells pretty. Love that. That's on the right side. All right. I sometimes keep my sheet masks in the refrigerator. Not today though. Usually I do that in the summer, just so that they're nice and cooling and they feel really good and sort of depuffs your face. I am going to go let this sit on my skin for 10-15 minutes. And then I will be back and I will let you know what I think, beyond the fact that it is seriously, oh, it smells so good. Like, it's like that Hawaiian tropical scent, sort of, but not too, it's like a little bit florally, not pineapple-y exactly. I don't know how to explain it. It smells really good though. I will be back. Okay, so I'm back and it's been about 15 minutes since I put this on. The smell is still really nice. It's not overwhelming, which some sheet masks, like, they don't take into consideration that it's going to sit on your face for quite some time. And so it gets, overwhelming. This is, mostly dry. It's still wet around the edges, but with a sheet mask, you don't have to let it dry all the way. Now we're going to peel this off. It comes off really easily. Doesn't do anything. It says on the package I do not have to rinse, which is another thing I prefer in a sheet mask. It just says to rub it in and call it a day. I love that about them. I really do like the fact that this one is got a nice sturdy material to it. I hate sheet masks that, like, the eyes and everything just come down your face and don't stay on at all. That drives me nuts. This one, I didn't read the instructions, but it was pretty simple. It's the micro extract solution for everyday pollutants that gunk up your pores. So you put this mask over your face, and the powerful extraction action of real volcanic clay draws out toxins. Tropical fruit acids seal the deal by dissolving dulling debris. So the skin emerges fresh, bright, and completely revived. I'd say my skin looks a little better. I wouldn't say that it all feels moisturized, but I do think I bought 2 of these and I used one the other day. I do think it does do some clarifying and purifying, because I had like some very small little issues going on, and they went away afterwards pretty quickly. I think that it does do a good job of that. Pulling, gross stuff out of your skin is great, and it keeps it from breaking out. And as you can see, I don't have any breakouts right now, so I think that it does do a pretty good job of that. But I have been lately using more charcoal and these type of masks with clay in them, but not that I put the clay on my face, because I have more mature skin, and when I do that, it just dries my skin out so bad. I hate it. So I'm really liking these ones, and they were $1 at Walmart. They were on clearance, so I love that. I think it does a good job pulling, some impurities out and stuff, but it isn't leaving your skin feeling that super hydrated feeling that I really wish it did in every sheet mask. You know what I mean? I kind of expect a sheet mask, even if it is doing impurities, to also do some moisturizing, and I don't feel that at all. As a matter of fact, I now feel like I need to go put on a moisturizer because I feel like the clay in there is going to dry out my skin a little bit, and maybe that's just the type of sheet mask it is. I'm going to rate my sheet masks. We're going to try to do a sheet mask video every week. And I'm going to give this one a 4. It smells nice. It was easy to use. I love that. It didn't have like crazy nasty gunk. It didn't smell terrible or any of those things that I hate. I do think that it did do what it says on the package, which, you know, is all you can really expect. And I guess since it doesn't say that it moisturizes, I shouldn't expect it to, but I don't know, for some reason I expect sheet masks to moisturize. I just do. Let me know what sheet mask you guys like and would like to see in the future. These are going to be, this series that I'm going to start doing is going to be on inexpensive masks. We're talking cheap. we're going cheap here. If that means cheap sheet masks for $1, that's what we're going to do. We're going to go through anything I can find that is super inexpensive, that says it's a mask and it's good for your skin. We're going to try it here in these videos and see how they work. And you're going to see a lot of sheet masks because, like I said, I'm lazy and I don't want to spend 40 minutes waiting for a mask to dry. And I am not spending $40 to get one to do it. You know, a detoxifying mask is a great thing. So if you see this and you especially live in a city and you're worried that pollutants are getting into your skin, give it a try and let me know what you think. So I'm going to go throw on some moisturizer and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye!